Greetings, colleagues. My name is Anthony Felder. I'm currently employed by Baltimore City Public Schools, which is a large school district in the state of Maryland. Since my district is outside of Kansas, I will share information about the Emporia Public Schools 2017-2018 budget. The 2017-2018 assessed valuation is $185,163,100, which is $7,957,084 more than the 2015-2016 valuation. The district's total cash value is $4,967,104. This is calculated by adding all deposits to the initial deposit and deducting all disbursements or expenditures. Emporia's public schools' total revenue for the 2017-2018 fiscal year was $65,865,999, which $43,751,227 was received from the state. The total expenditures is the summation of the disbursements across categories. The total for the 2017-2018 was $72,501,552. The district's total enrollment for the 2017-2018 school year was 4,460 students, of which 2,200 students received free meals and 550 students received reduced meals. The total head count during 2017-2018 was 4,621 students. This is a small decrease from 2015-2016. In order to prepare its young scholars for academic success, Emporia Public Schools offers a full-day kindergarten program in each of its elementary schools. Students in grades K through 8 pay $2.80 for lunch and $1.90 for breakfast, while students in grades 9 through 12 pay $3 for lunch and $1.90 for breakfast. The district's meal rate is 20% for general funds, 16.496% for supplemental general funds, 8% for capital overlay, and 9% for bonds and interest. The district has a total of 791.6 full-time equivalent employees, of which 449.8 are certified employees and 343.8 non-certified. The average salary for administrators is $85,000, $50,964 for teachers, $45,192 for other certified personnel, and $30,581 for classified personnel. The district holds $4,685,656 in school bonds. The district has a total of 2,727 bus riders, initiating the need for its $2,251,047 transportation expenditure. The information used to create this presentation can be found by visiting the KSDE Data Central Kansas Education Data Reporting site. The citations for each of the specific reports are listed in the presentation. Thank you, and I hope you find this information helpful.